how to add two binary numbers. In today's class, we'll see how to subtract binary numbers. Subtraction of binary numbers. So in order to subtract the binary numbers, you have two methods. The first one is ones complement method. And the second one is two's complement method. So before going to this method, let us try to find out how to find the ones complement of the number and also the two's complement of the number. So let me consider I have a binary number. Let the binary number be number is 10110. Okay, so this is a given binary number. If you want to find ones complement of this number, then what you need to do is you need to do one small modification. What is that modification? If you have a 0, you replace it with 1. If you have a 1, you replace it with 0. So here if you just check the number, this is a given binary number. If you check here you have 1, that should be converted to 0. So 1 should be written as 0, 0, 1. 1 is here, so 0. 1 is here, so 0. 0 is here, so 1. So this is nothing but the ones complement of given number. Okay. Now if you want to find two's complement of any given number, then what you need to do is first find ones complement of the number and add a 1 to it. So this is how, if you just first take the ones complement of given number, and when you add 1 to it, you'll get the two's complement of given number. Okay, so as an example, let me take the given number is 0101. Okay, so this is a given number. How I need to find two's complement of this number. So in order to find two's complement, we know the procedure. First I need to find ones complement of given number. What is the ones complement of given number? Here you have a 0, so 1. 1 you have, so 0. 0 in you have, so 1. 1 you have, so 0. So this is the ones complement of given number. To get two's complement, what I need to do? I need to add an additional 1 to the last bit. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. Nothing is there, it implies it is 0. So 1 plus 0, it is 1 again. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 1 plus 0, it is 1 again. So this is nothing but the two's complement of given number. So this is how we generally find the two's complement of given number. Okay, so let me take another example. Let the given number be, given number is 101.11. So here it is having the integer part as well as the fraction part. So if it is like this, again we can find the ones complement. Finding ones complement is so simple. Just you need to replace 1 with 0 and 0 with 1. So here you have 1, so that I will replace it with 0. Here you have 0, that I will replace it with 1. Here I have 1, that I will replace it with 0. Point. Here I have 1, I will replace it with 0. Here I have 1, I will replace it with 0. To get two's complement, what I need to do? I need to add plus 1 to the last bit. Okay, it is not here. You need to add plus 1. It is to the last position. So what is the last position? This is the last position for the given number. So 0 plus 1, it is 1. So the rest all here all it will be equal to 0 only because nothing is there. So 0 plus 0, it is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 0, it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0. So this is nothing but the two's complement of given number. Okay. So now what we'll do? We'll go with the method. To calculate one's complement of of subtraction using ones complement. So now what we'll do, we'll go with the next topic where we'll be subtraction of binary numbers using ones complement. This is the first method which we have. Now what we'll do, we'll see how to subtract two binary numbers using ones complement. So in order to do this, we have some steps to follow. Okay, so step 1, first you need to check whether the given numbers are in binary form or not. If not, convert it to binary numbers. So this is the first step that you need to follow. Step 2, what you need to do is you need to identify which is the minuend and subtrahend. Identify minuend and subtrahend. So if you are writing A minus B, okay, so this is said to be the minuend and this is said to be the subtrahend. Whatever you are getting output, that is nothing but the difference. So here I'll give you one small tip to just remember MS Dhoni. Okay, so minuend, subtrahend and difference. So this is what the second step. You need to identify which is a minuend and which is a subtrahend. Okay, now coming to the step 3. Step 3, what you need to do, find the ones complement of subtrahend. So you need to find ones complement of this subtrahend. Okay, so that is what your third step. Okay, here we are finding the ones complement because this is the ones complement method. So since it is ones complement method, you need to find the ones complement of subtrahend. Step 4. In step 4, once you get the ones complement of the subtrahend, add the ones complement of subtrahend to minuend. So once you get the ones complement of the subtrahend, you need to add that to minuend. Step 5. Once you add this minuend and the ones complement of subtrahend, whatever result you are getting, if the result have a carry, if there is a carry in step 4, that indicates the result is positive. The result is positive. So since the result is positive, then what you need to do, add the carry to the obtained result in step 4. Okay, so step 6. Here I have just explained if there is a carry. Let me assume that if there is no carry, if there is no carry in step 4. Okay, if there is no carry, though no carry indicates it is a 0 in the carry place. Here the carry indicates it is a 1 in the carry place. Okay, I'll explain you with one example. So if there is no carry in step 4, then that indicates the result is negative. So since in step 4, whatever result you are getting, okay, in that result, if the carry value is 0, it indicates no carry, then what you need to do? The result is negative, then what you need to do? You need to take 1's complement of the result obtained in step 4 and place a negative sign before the result. So these are the 6 steps that you need to follow in order to subtract 2 binary numbers using 1's complement. So let us take one example and see how you can subtract this.